Cece from BabyYumYum. Today we're doing the marshmallow off, where we're tasting different Easter eggs with marshmallows, and we do the ratings. So guys,
Very serious, guys.
this is very serious. It's proper.
What are we testing based on,
Okay.
Cece?
So there is actually qualities. There's actually a whole proper score sheet.
Wow.
So for each egg, each person please take a new sheet. You don't have to put your name.
Type of egg.
Per each egg.
Okay.
There's a sheet above. There's enough sheets. You don't have to put your name.
Okay.
It's anonymous.
Oh, thank heaven.
In case people feel, in case anyone feels they're going to be attacked or judged.
Okay. Yeah.
But you have to put which egg goes with which results.
Okay.
Okay. There's specific qualities that need to be rated. So it's the texture, the sweetness, the size, the quality, the ratio of the chocolate with the marshmallow. If you think there's too much chocolate, not enough, etc. The price value, if you think it's value for money, you may or may not have an opinion. Aesthetic. And the rating is between 1 to 5, with 1 being the worst score and 5 being the best score.
Okay.
Awesome.
Mal, can you work out based on the box of eggs divided by the unit price per egg?
Because some are bigger than others. Yeah.
And these are the eggs that we are doing.
Okay, what are the eggs that we're doing? Can you just tell us the brands and the make?
So we've got the Pick and Pay chocolate coated marshmallow eggs.
Yeah.
And then we've got the choc flavored mushies. Where are these from?
Woolworths.
Oh, Woolworths, okay.
Yeah.
And then we've got pecan, marshmallow, and then we've got Woolies again, the caramel flavored mushies. And then we've got Cadbury Fluffies, chocolate covered marshmallow eggs.
Okay, awesome.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay, everybody.
And the aesthetic, is that the aesthetic of the egg or
Yes.
the packaging?
No, of the egg, because
Of the
before we
egg.
had to remove the eggs out of the packaging
Okay.
so that you guys can
So we're looking
see
for smoothness.
for smoothness, whatever you feel is aesthetically pleasing to you.
Okay.
Some people like bumps, some people like ridges.
Yeah.
To each his own.
Okay. Some people like big, some people small.
Yes, Amanda. Some people like big, some people like small.
Okay,
As you can see,
right.
Amanda, just for you, we've got the size. Speaking
Thank
of,
you.
you know,
Thank you.
for
Thank
things
you.
that you like in different
Okay,
packages.
right.
Okay, everybody, do your
Okay.
thing.
Now you don't have to eat a whole one, everyone, because otherwise you'll look like marshmallows afterwards.
But you can if you want to
can.
finish.
Don't
what
judge
you-
us if we do.
Yes, there's no
Okay.
judgment here. It's a judgment-free zone.
Make sure that you've written the number on your score sheet, right?
Okay. Okay.
The number of the egg. So Tando, whichever egg you start with, it doesn't matter. Just make sure whichever egg you rate is with that score sheet.
This one looks like you went to
So it
private
doesn't
school.
matter. I'll just place
So
some
neat.
random.
Oh, that one
It
went to
doesn't
private
matter.
school. Mm. Jimmy, how are you feeling about your egg?
Wow.
I love it.
You love it.
It's my favorite from
Wait,
childhood. I
five
know
is the
which one it is.
Okay.
So 1 is the lowest.
Damien, how are you feeling about that egg?
Very nice, but less chocolate.
Okay.
This is hard.
Amanda, how are you feeling about your egg?
Delicious, but I don't actually like the chocolate
But it's very,
inside.
very hard to rate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Receipt.
Carabo, how are you feeling about that egg?
I don't mind it because it's got more marshmallow than the chocolate,
Okay,
which I like.
great.
here was the whatever it is, chocolate. Then there was the Cadbury Fluffies. Then there was the Beacon. Then there was the caramel scented ones. And then there was the Woolies. And then the Pick and Pay ones. Okay, the one that we voted that was the worst was these Woolworths caramel flavored
Yes,
marshmallow
number
ones.
4.
So Woolworths, sorry, you need to retry that again. Not going to working this Easter season. And the one that came out with the most
best.
votes for the best was CC.
The Pick and Pay milk coated marshmallow egg.
Go Pick and Pay.
Go Pick and Pay.
Do we have a price point on that one versus
Yes,
that one?
we do. So,
okay, so
the price point per unit and per
Oh wow!
all here in our box.
Okay, so
Look at
let's
that.
see. So R2.16 for that versus R2.49. So that came out more expensive. And let's see, that is actually wow. Pick
That's
and Pay
the cheapest and the
cheapest and the
nicest.
nicest. Well done, Pick and Pay.